Hey there guys, how you all doing? Paul the Tech Giant here, and today I've got a top tip for you to keep your LG OLED running in tip-top form. So what you're going to want to do is grab your magic remote, hold down the settings button for a long press and get up those main settings. Once in here, you're going to want to go down to support, then to OLED care, and then down to device self-care. Once in here, we can see at the top, we've got memory optimizer, and we're going to click on that. Now, as we can see, it does say this function optimizes TV status by deleting unused apps or unnecessary memories. Run this feature periodically. So what we're going to do is just simply press on start. That's going to do its thing. And there we go, simple as that. It's going to close down any unnecessary things in the background, and hopefully it'll keep it in tip-top shape. Now do us a favour guys, if you do appreciate that top tip, today and tomorrow is Prime Day, so please use my Amazon affiliate link. Costs you not a single penny and means that Amazon actually pay me money every time you purchase something. Like I say, no cost you whatsoever. Please use my link below. So don't forget, give me a thumbs up and a subscription would be great, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.